So just to summarize and to add a few additional points as well about the brain, the key things here are to use both the left and the right side of the brain together. It's not a matter of one being better than the other. It's a matter of that when we use the two sides together, we get synergy. Synergy is simply when 1 + 1 equals more than 2. So use both sides of the brain together. Mind maps are great for doing that. Emotions are very, very important in learning, remembering, and creativity. And what that means in mind map terms is that we're usually attracted towards mind maps more than we're attracted towards, say, the printed word or long monologue from someone. When that happens, our interest is piqued, our attention is grabbed, the information is stayed with for long enough to be understood and learned well, and that way we're able to remember the information, and from that comes the possibility of being able to recall it. So doing something that's interesting, fun, makes it more memorable and useful. Actively use all the senses. We know that we all have different ways in which we prefer to take information in. Most of us use a mix of visual, auditory and kinesthetic channels. The written word or the spoken word is great for auditory. What mind maps do is add to that a very, very strong visual element. Makes it very easy for us to picture something because we're producing a picture. So again, for learning and remembering, mind maps are very effective, and also for creative thinking as well. And of course, the mind maps are also a kinesthetic process. We're physically drawing lines, making images, making associations at a physical, tactile level, as well as at a theoretical level. So the more we're able to use the multiple channels, the better. And then the key aspect of association is that if we're able to put multiple associations onto a piece of information that we want to put into our brain, we're then able to use those multiple associations to get the information back out when we need it. So mind maps reflect everything we know about how the brain works and enable us to access both sides of the brain, maximize interest, use different channels, and make the power of association really work for us.